investors.
It's
That's
right
a
here.
huge opportunity.
The last thing on my list, investors, right there. And I am an investor myself, just so you know.
So a perfect referral for Rich, as he mentioned earlier in his 32nd, obviously, is anybody looking to put their home on the market. The state of Florida, all but 3 counties, the seller has the ability to choose title, which gives us a great opportunity to work together and provide the clients with the best closing experience. I'm looking for introductions to, Rich is one of the top 10 in Florida, right?
I'm in the top 100 in this area, and I don't know if you guys know, but there's thousands of realtors right here.
I need an introduction to a couple more people who have the same qualities as Rich as far as realtors, other realtors in this area who are looking and who provide the same quality of service that he does to his clients that I can also do business with. We've got a minute left. Any quick questions? Yeah.
Is it customary for a title company to hand their their customer the HUD when they're closing and come to look over it?
No, and actually you're going to find that the entire real estate industry is going to be turned upside down next year. Currently, we are governed by RESPA, which is the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act, and that is a national act. But the CFPB, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, is now taking over. They're actually governed not by Congress, but by, who are they governed by? They're governed by, let's see, the Federal Reserve. They're going to change the way business takes place in real estate nationwide. Beginning August 1st next year,
Listen to this
it will
one.
take, you will not be able to close on your home. If your loan is approved, say on Wednesday, the lender calls me up and says, hey, look, you can schedule closing no earlier than next week Friday because they're required by law to provide you with those figures 3 days prior. So they have to say we've sent it out, so they have to wait 3 days, and then they have to wait another 3 days. So, and it's going to be conflict for him as a seller because if that contract expires, the seller's under no obligation to extend. So the whole industry is going to take a change, but it's not uncommon in this day and age. Everybody wants everything now, instant gratification. People are like, I've got my moving truck out there, I want to move. I don't care if I get the figures 2 minutes beforehand, I'm going to close. That will change in the year to come.
And I do believe you just mentioned to me last week that right now the seller and the buyer get together and decide what the closing date is going to be. The rules are going to change, and now the lender is going to control the closing date, which I'm nervous about because you know what? When somebody's moving, they have to line up moving trucks and all kinds of other stuff. We have a lender who says, you know what, we're not going to be able to close today. We're really sorry, but maybe next week sometime. It's going to create some huge problems. And then I just wanted to give a shout out to Walt. Walt got a hold of me last week, put me in touch with his neighbors, who were going to call another realtor. They called me, and it was exactly what I was talking about this morning regarding do they want to list their home now or do they want to wait till January and absorb several months of double mortgage payments. And in fact, I explained to them the tick up in the market, and we're going to put that home on the market today. So
Well, in your real estate power team in the next year, we'll be doing a lot to educate you on how these changes are going to affect everybody.